Alright, this is Dre'Jon Williams. And today, we are catching a BNSF 6340 and 9324 and 1103 on Holmes Road. As we stop here at Fanning, as we wait for a traffic light to change green or to blink, to do something. This might be heading to Post Oak. This might be heading to Post Oak. This train is heading towards the Glidden subdivision, Post Oak Crossing, as we now passing up Kirby. It's slowing down, yeah. Track speeds. As now the BNSF is starting to slow down. As it's about to make its merge onto the Glidden sub. And we'll keep you posted. That's it for right now. Dre'Jon Williams, out.